Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to use your phone as a webcam in OBS. This method works completely online, so there's no need to download or install any extra software. To get started, open your web browser on your computer and go to VDO.ninja. Once the website loads, click on Create a Room, then enter a room name and set a password. This helps keep the connection secure and also allows multiple phones to join the same session if needed. After that, open the generated room link on your phone, enter the password, and choose the option to join the room with your camera. Make sure to allow camera and microphone permissions, and within a few seconds, your phone's camera will be live. Next, go back to your computer and open OBS. Under the Sources panel, click the plus icon and select Browser. From VDO.ninja, copy the Capture Group Scene link and paste it into the URL field in OBS. Give the source a name, click OK, and allow access if prompted. Your phone's camera feed should now appear directly inside OBS. From here, you can switch between the front and back cameras, resize or rotate the video, or even use your phone as a secondary camera angle for your stream or recording. And that's it. This is how you can easily use your phone as a webcam in OBS. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.